Hey everyone, this is Jared with Carbon Digital and Dev Guys. So today we're going to be talking about how to add the Facebook pixel tracking code to Squarespace. If you're not familiar with Facebook Pixel, it is Facebook's tracking software from social media to a website. And it's also utilized for targeting your customers that have already interacted with your social media page or website. And it's pretty amazing once you get into it. So, how to add that tracking code to a website. So, to start with, we need to know where we're going to put it on the website. So, I'm here inside this um, just a blank WordPress, I'm sorry, a blank. So, I'm here inside Squarespace in a new development. So, I'm here inside WordPress on a new development site, and we're going to show you the ideal place to put it. Right out the gate, you're thinking analytics. Okay, so if you click on analytics, you'll see all of this stuff here on the left hand side. Absolutely none of this is going to apply to the Facebook pixel because this is Squarespace's customized analytics setup. That's not going to help you. So let's go back. And then you're going to go to settings and you're looking through here. You don't see anything that makes any sense. So we're going to go to advanced. All right. Now, right out the gate, I see external API keys. So click on that, and this looks like the place, right? So there's Google Analytics, and all of these you just plug in your code and you're done. Amazon Associates, Google reCAPTCHA, Adobe Fonts. Sounds awesome, but no Facebook Pixel, which is sad because that's too smart. So what does that mean? That means we're going to have to go into code injection and manually put this in the header or head section of our website. So first you're going to pull up the business manager at business.facebook.com. And once you click on the actual profile that you're going to go to, this is the page that you will see. Um, there's multiple ways to navigate, but I prefer the business settings on the right hand side. So when you click that, it's going to come up to this page. And then it comes to this business settings dashboard. Um, on the left hand side, you're going to navigate to data sources and then click on pixels, which is going to pull you up to this page we have here. All right. Um, if you don't have a pixel yet, it's very, very simple to add one. Um, you see, I already have two right here, so I'll just add a third one. Why not? Um, let's call this one test 2 pixel. And then I'm not going to enter a URL for the website. Note here that it's optional. Um, on my primary pixel, I did put in the website URL, but since this is just a test, I don't need it. Um, so that'll mess up my tracking info, but no worries. So we'll close this out. And so now you get to the part where what do I do next? Okay, so at the top here, as soon as you hover over this bar, you'll see it changes colors. Uh, this is a link to a new page. So when you click on this bar, it's going to open up this page, and this is the events manager detailed section of that pixel. All right, so let me go to let me open up that page and it'll navigate directly to the proper pixel that you've clicked on. And you can tell that on the left hand side here, this drop down menu that says test pixel 2, that's the name of your pixel. So to set up this pixel, we're going to go on the right hand side, click on setup, okay, and then click on install pixel. This is a very simple process. Um, so, Squarespace, you can use the platform integration, which is pretty much you just log into your account, um, and it's very easy to do. I myself prefer the manual code segment, so I'm going to click on this. And if you're not the web developer, you can come here to email the instructions. And what's going to happen is they're going to get the code. Actually, let's email that. Boom. You see that? They're going to get the manual installation code, pixel ID, pixel code, event information. Very, very good. So if you don't know anything about a pixel and you want your web developer to set that up, there you go. But just know, if you're watching this movie, then you're not going to mess it up. So I'm going to click on manually install pixel code yourself. And that's going to pull up the same exact thing we were just looking at. So here, we back in our website, this header section is already predefined here in the pixel as your head tags. So that is the section. Okay. Now on to number 2, copy the code. All right. So this code is already pre-built. It's everything that you need, and it already input your information as well. You can see that this pixel ID here matches the pixel ID in the code. So you don't have to do anything. You just click on this code and it's automatically copied, and then navigate to your page, to your website, click here in the header and paste it and save. And now you are done. So back here on the Facebook's business manager side, you can turn on the advanced matching stuff. So this is going to pull in any current customers that you already have, that you have any of this information for, and it'll apply the pixel to their profile information. It's pretty cool. So then you can plug in your URL and test it. Uh, I'm very confident in Facebook's ability for me to be able to copy and paste code. So uh, I've done this enough times to know that you don't really have to test it as long as you do it correctly. So I will skip that for now. And then after that, you just click on continue. It's very, very simple. And this here is adding events. What do you want to track with the pixel? And so here's where you click on this drop down bar, and these options will change this list of options here. And so that's something that you can do now. You can do it later, and you can also email it to your developer. So it's pretty cool. And so that's all that we have for adding your Facebook pixel to Squarespace. Until next time, happy coding.